Hello everyone, so if you want to fix Wi-Fi issues on your Xiaomi Redmi 13, so first of all open up your settings. In your settings you are to scroll down to your more connectivity options. Here scroll down to your reset Wi-Fi, mobile network and Bluetooth. Press reset settings, enter your PIN if you have one, press OK, and that's it. Also, try connecting the same Wi-Fi network on other devices such as tablet, another phone, a gaming console, PC, TV. If Wi-Fi works on other devices, the issue might be with your phone. Also, if resetting doesn't help, you can perform a factory reset. To do that, open up your settings, open up your About Phone tab, scroll down to the bottom, find your factory reset tab, press erase all data, and basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.